Hello friends, let's continue our general science lesson number 8, our skeletal system and skin from page number 59. Look at in the pictures 8.4 skeletons of various animals. Can you identify the animals from the pictures of their skeletons? Yes, we can easily identify. The first picture is of dog, second one is of dinosaur, third one is of fish pomfret, fourth one is snake. First one is also maybe dog, horse, sheep, goat or donkey. Now next try this is given for every student to perform at home. What you have to take or do, you have to take measuring tape and measure the length of the bones of your arms and legs. Note down the measurement in the first self column and you have to measure in centimeter. Then your friend's measurement of arm bone and leg bones, then your brother and then your sister. If anybody have no sister, no brother, then put dash in that column. Okay? And also draw the skeletal of human parts. Look at this human skeleton. You have to draw and label it. Now discuss. The human skeletal system can be divided into two parts. The first one is the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. What is axial and appendicular skeleton? The axial skeleton consists of the skull, spine and rib cage. हमारा आँखों सर का भाग, स्पाइन हमारा रीढ़ की हड्डी एंड हमारा छाती का भाग, रिब केज. दिस इज द एक्सियल skeleton. These are situated symmetrically along the central vertical axis of the body. Central vertical axis means when we divide our body vertically, सीधे सीधे हम यदि दो भागों में if we divide our body, then vertically these are situated. Our skull is situated there, then our rib cage and our spinal cord. Arms, lower limbs. On the other side of the central axis, look at here. These arms, pair of arms and legs are situated at the other side, either side of the central axis. Okay. Now come to our next page, page number 16. As our body grows, the size and length of our bones increases. Such changes in size and length can be seen in children according to age. However, the body continues to grow only up to a certain limit. The bones of taller people are longer. As we grow, the size and length of our bone also increases, and their size we can easily identify from your childhood up to your adult when you become adult, and then when you become a big man, we can identify easily the size and the length of the bones. But this is for a certain limits. Our growth is up to for a certain limit. The bone of taller people are longer. Now one by one we can discuss the axial skeleton's parts. The first one is the skull. Look at in the diagram. The skull is cranium, lower jaw, mandible. We can see. The skull is formed by the bones of the head and face. The bone of the skull are flat. When you look at in the bone of the skull, it is flat and strong. There are altogether 20 bones in skull, 8 in the head, 14 in the face. Except for the lower jaw, none of bones of the skull can move. They are stable. Only our lower jaw we can move it up and down. Which organs of our body does the skull protect? The answer is the brain. Our brain is situated in the skull, which is very when we when we put your hands on your chest and press it, you find out that there are some pairs of bones on our left and right side. These are the rib cage. The cage-like structure in the chest is called rib cage. In the chest, there is one vertical, look at in the diagram, there is one vertical flat bone called as the sternum. एक बोन है हमारे इसमें जो एक बीच का है लॉन्ग वाला इज कॉल्ड एज द sternum. 12 pairs of bones, flat bones called ribs are joined to it sidewise. These 25 bones form the rib cage. It is joined to the spine at the back. These are all total 25 bones, and at the sides they are joined to our spine at the back. सामने से वो स्टीर्नम से कनेक्टेड है एंड पीछे के साइड से हमारे स्पाइन से कनेक्टेड है. नाउ द स्पाइन और बैकबोन और वर्टिबल कॉलम, हम उसे बैकबोन भी कहते हैं, पाठी का गणा कह सकते हैं, रीढ़ की हड्डी कह सकते हैं, तो या उसे स्पाइन कह सकते हैं. द स्पाइन इज फॉर्म बाय पेडलॉक शेप्ड बोन्स. पेडलॉक शेप्ड बोन्स मीन्स एक दूसरे को लॉकिंग किया हुआ, जैसे चेन रहती है साइकिल की चेन में लॉकिंग रहता है ना पेडलॉक जैसा, उसी तरह से हमारे ऑल द स्पाइंस के बोन्स पेडलॉक शेप्ड बोन से स्ट्रेट वन अबव द अनदर, एक के दूसरे अरेंजमेंट है. देर आर 33 बोन्स कॉल्ड एज अ वर्टिब्रा. These bones are arranged one above the other flexibly, but they are flexible. We can move it. The spine protect the spinal cord that originate from the brain. हमारा जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड है मतलब एक नर्व है जो हमारे ब्रेन से आ रही है, हमारी पूरी रीढ़ की हड्डी कनेक्ट करती है, उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने का काम कौन करता है? हमारे वर्टिब्रास. ऑल दिस वर्टिब्रास और स्पाइन प्रोटेक्ट्स our brain, spinal cord. What would happen